In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix a screen resolution problem in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first of all, you need to proceed here at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Now you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here, please navigate to the left pane where you get to see a list of the option. Please locate with the system. Click on it. The moment you do it, you would be able to see a list of the option again. Please proceed with display. Click on it. And from here, under the display settings, you can see brightness, color, scale, and layout. And since we're dealing with the problem of our display resolution, then by that, we need to navigate here at the second, which is display resolution, where you can adjust the resolution to fit your connected display. So here's the thing, you need to set the display resolution, which is the recommended one to your system. So click on this down arrow key, and the moment you do it, you would be able to see a list of display resolution. However, you need to choose the one that is recommended. So it will be highlighted with recommended here, which is being enclosed by the parentheses. Make sure that the display resolution that you have selected is being highlighted with recommended, which is in my case 1920 by 1080 is the recommended one. So click on it, and once you've set it, close the window and check if your problem has been fixed. Another method that you can do is here at the start icon again, make a right click, scroll up and click on device manager. Okay, so in this kind of window, you need to proceed with display adapters. Click on this forward arrow and you would be able to see the graphic cards that your computer is using. So by that, make a right click and go with update driver. And this kind of window will allow you to choose two options, which are to search automatically for drivers and to browse drivers manually. So please proceed with this one. And if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, close the window and restart your computer. So navigate here at the start icon again, click on this one, and from here go with your power menu options and click on restart. Yes, you need to restart your computer because the moment you restarted it, you would be able to apply the actions or the to make any changes on the actions that you have performed in this video. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.